our file is copied there, and then we need to copy one more thing, that is the web console. So this is web console. In build libs folder we have one war file. I need to copy it here. Okay, the copy is done. Before doing anything else, I would like to rename those files. M war and web console.war, and then rename this to file to that. Now I would like to rename the console war file to just web console. Okay, now only thing we need to do is restart our application server. Okay, the server is shut down. I need to start uploading. Now our application server is running, and we have deployed our two WAR files from this application, and that's it. Now let us take a look about what we have deployed there. Maybe we can see it web console. Okay, so the server is running and we are seeing the information. By the way, one thing we have missed, we have just created new database for our demo, but we have not connected to that because one of the thing, we have not changed the configuration to use that database. You see, it is the configuration of the data source that is being used for by the web application to communicate to the database. So it uses the actually Phoneshopping DB that is showing here. This is the Phoneshopping DB. It is being used here. So to use our newly created database, we need to mention the demo DB here and build the application again and deploy it to Docker registered server. So that's it. Everything is the server-side deployment of server-side component is done. So I know there's some manual process involved here. Actually, we plan to do a whole the thing, all of the deployment task automated. But maybe in future version we could be able to do that. So that's it for now. Thank you for being with us. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you very much.